Photoshop is a demanding application for both raster editing and creative workflows, requiring a balanced mix of CPU performance, sufficient RAM, fast storage, and a display with good color accuracy. While high-end workstations are common in professional studios, many consumers seek capable laptops in a mid-range price band that still deliver reliable Photoshop performance, smooth multitasking.
List number 1. Acer Chromebook Plus 515 laptop with Google AI 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS touch display, Intel Core i3-1305U, 8GB LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB SSD, Wi-Fi 6E, FHD camera, Chrome OS, and CB5152. This 15.6-inch Chrome OS notebook positions itself as a productivity-focused Chromebook with a beefier core for the category, featuring an Intel Core i3-1305U, 8GB LPDDR5X RAM, and a 256GB SSD. It integrates Google AI Pro benefits for 12 months and runs Chrome OS, which emphasizes fast wake times, built-in security, and seamless Google app compatibility. The hardware specs suggest a mid-range experience suitable for web-based Photoshop workarounds, offline image editing via Chrome OS apps, and light creative tasks when paired with Android or web-based tools. Price is $299.99, which places it in the mid to upper range for Chromebooks and offers a compelling value proposition if your workflow is cloud-first or heavily dependent on Google services. Performance-wise, the i3-1305U with 8GB RAM should handle basic to moderate Photoshop tasks, but Chrome OS introduces constraints on software availability and offline plugin ecosystems compared with Windows. The 10-hour claimed battery life is competitive for a 15.6-inch touchscreen, and the 6E Wi-Fi helps with cloud storage and online assets. The inclusion of 2 USB-C ports with DisplayPort and charging adds flexibility for external displays, while Titan C2 security promises strong protection. Practical use cases include quick PSD edits via web-based editors, collaborations through Google Drive, and light photo adjustments. However, heavyweight PSDs, large brush-intensive sessions, and GPU-accelerated effects may be limited.
List number 2. Coolbuy 15.6-inch laptop. The Coolbuy ReaBook offers a Windows 11 Pro machine with 12GB RAM, a 256GB NVMe SSD, and a quad-core Intel N95 Beats N5095 processor. The laptop targets everyday productivity with a color-accurate 1080p IPS display and a privacy webcam shutter. It emphasizes a flexible port selection, dual Type-C charging, and built-in cooling. Priced at $259, it aims to deliver a balanced performance-for-price proposition with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, which can be advantageous for business-oriented tasks and Photoshop edits that benefit from Windows features and security. Performance-wise, the N95-based CPU is adequate for light to moderate Photoshop work, such as photo retouching, layer-based edits on smaller files, and web assets. The 12GB RAM helps with multitasking and opens several Photoshop documents or browser tabs without swapping aggressively. The laptop's strengths include robust connectivity, 2 Type-C ports, HDMI, full USB suite, and a privacy camera slider. However, the GPU is integrated and heavy 4K exports, large PSDs, or GPU-accelerated plugins may run into thermal and throttle limits. For students and freelancers doing standard editing and content creation, this model provides solid everyday performance.
List number 3. 15.6-inch laptop computer. Priced $249.69, Bluewing stacks a notably large 32GB of RAM with a 512GB NVMe SSD and a 15.6-inch FHD IPS display in a Windows 11 Pro environment. The processor is labeled Pentium with a 3.4 GHz top end, aimed at lighter workloads, but the extraordinary RAM allotment positions it as a multitasking-friendly option for Photoshop light to moderate editing and multiple browser tabs. The machine also touts full-size ports, an ergonomic keyboard, and a strong spec-to-price ratio, making it a standout budget pick for users who need memory headroom more than raw processing power. Performance-wise, the 32GB RAM is the standout feature on this model, enabling smoother multitasking with large Photoshop files, multiple layers, and memory-hungry applications. The 512GB NVMe SSD contributes to fast boot and file access, while the 15.6-inch IPS display offers solid color reproduction with 100% sRGB coverage, as claimed. However, the Pentium-based CPU will lag behind the N-series and I-series CPUs in demanding tasks, and the integrated Intel HD graphics may restrict GPU-accelerated effects. This makes it best suited for students, hobbyists, or professionals who prioritize memory headroom over raw processing power.
List number 4. HP Pavilion 15.6-inch HD touchscreen anti-glare laptop. This HP Pavilion uses a traditional Windows 11 home configuration with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB NVMe SSD, powered by an Intel Core i3-1115G4 up to 4.1 GHz. It features a 15.6-inch HD touchscreen and anti-glare panel, practical for photo editing on the go and content consumption. The inclusion of 16 GB of RAM and a sizable 1 TB NVMe SSD makes it a compelling daily driver for Photoshop work that benefits from quick access to large libraries and multiple projects, all within a mid-range price of $443.98. Performance-wise, the i3-1115G4 is not a high-end Photoshop engine, but the 16 GB RAM and 1 TB NVMe SSD help with multitasking and fast project loading. The HD 1366x768 display with anti-glare is serviceable for editing, though color accuracy and luminance may be less than ideal for professional-grade color work. Users can pair the machine with an external calibrated display for precise work. Port selection is modest, with USB-C and multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, and decent battery life. This model suits creators who need a portable Windows 11 system with solid RAM and storage without chasing premium GPU performance.
List number 5. HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView laptop. The HP Stream is a compact 14-inch laptop aimed at essential productivity, sporting an Intel Celeron N150, 16 GB RAM, and 288 GB total storage, 128 GB eMMC, plus a docking setup. It runs Windows 11 in S mode for security and efficiency, and comes with a 14-inch HD BrightView display with a focused budget orientation. At $309, this model targets casual Photoshop users who need light editing, quick access to cloud storage, and a highly portable form factor. Performance-wise, the Celeron N150 is optimized for basic tasks, but Photoshop workloads will benefit from the 16 GB RAM, particularly for multi-tab workflows and light retouching. The storage configuration provides a dual-path setup. The overall capacity remains modest for large PSDs. The Windows 11 in S mode limits app installation to the Microsoft Store, reducing flexibility unless users switch out of S mode. Given its hardware and software constraints, this laptop is best for hobbyists and students doing light image work and cloud-based editing.